Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about why you need to replace a missing tooth. If you have it extracted, if you're just congenitally missing it, what is the importance about missing a tooth, especially molars? So let's take a look at this picture here that I found, and it's a great illustration of what happens when you have a tooth extracted and you don't get something in there, like an implant or a bridge or a partial, because what's going to end up happening is the teeth adjacent to it on both sides are going to start dumping in. They're going to start tipping, and the tooth on top of it, opposing it in the other arch, is going to start extruding or coming down. And once you kind of get to this point, it usually can be corrected with braces, not even always clear aligners, but braces. But then sometimes there's a point of no return where permanent damage to the bone and bony support structure is done. So this is why you need to always replace your missing teeth. So any questions, visit StraightSmileSolutions.com. If you're looking for a dentist, we'd be glad to match you up with one. And we're always here to educate your dentists about braces and things that move teeth. So any questions, make sure you visit StraightSmileSolutions.com. All right, have a great day.